In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your bank information in the Dasher app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, so your payouts land in the right account without delay. First, open the Dasher app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on a stable internet connection, since you'll be saving important account details. A quick heads up before we begin: you can't update payout banking info on the website or from the general payment tab. This change must be made in the Dasher app itself. Once you're in, look along the bottom of the screen and tap the Earnings tab. This is where you normally see your weekly totals and payout history, and it's also where Doordash places the tools for managing your deposit settings. Next, find the bank icon and tap it. Then choose Manage Bank Account. This opens the secure area where you can review and edit the details used for direct deposit. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct section before making changes. Now update your routing number, account number, or any other bank details that need to be refreshed. Type carefully and double check every digit. Routing numbers are 9 digits and identify your bank. Account numbers are specific to your account. If your account has leading zeros, include them exactly as shown by your bank. Make sure you're entering the checking or savings account you intend to use for payouts, and that the name on the bank account matches what Doordash expects to see to avoid deposit issues. If you recently switched banks or received a new account, confirm the numbers from an official bank source rather than guessing. When you've entered your details, you may be prompted to complete two-step verification. This is a standard security measure to protect your earnings. Follow the on-screen instructions, retrieve the verification code sent to your trusted method, and enter it promptly. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and check for any typos before requesting a new one. After verification, tap Save to confirm your changes, give the app a moment to process, and look for a confirmation message indicating your bank info has been updated. It's a good idea to revisit the Manage Bank Account screen and visually confirm your details look correct. Updates typically apply to future payouts, so keep an eye on your next deposit to ensure everything flows as expected. That's it. Quick, secure, and done entirely in the Dasher app from the Earnings tab.